change the rear gear case fluid on your Sportsman XP 1000S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Lock the parking brake. Place a drain pan underneath the rear gear case. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of oil. Clean the area around the fill plug in the right front wheel well. Remove the rear gear case fill plug. Clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Fill the gear case through the fill plug with the recommended amount of fluid. Maintain the fluid level even with the bottom of the threads of the fill plug hole. Reinstall the gear case fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual oil off of the vehicle. Check for leaks. Dispose of the used oil properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.